is my tutorial for a Be Mine Valentine's Day tumbler. To start, I have already sanded and spray painted my tumbler with white and pink spray paint, but in all honesty, you can just do white and pink and skip that lighter pink color. Y'all know I'm extra. I'll be using the epoxy method to apply my glitter as usual, and as usual, if you have another way that you like to apply your glitter, then please do so. Do whatever is more comfortable for you. I'm all done glittering, and now I am flattening my glitter with parchment paper just to make it a little easier to get a smooth finish after I apply my epoxy, or when I apply my epoxy later. Let your glitter layer cure. I'll be using my Resiner's curing box to speed this process along. If you don't have one, why? They are awesome and speed up the curing process for my fast set resin to be fully cured and ready for sanding in about 45 minutes. I love this thing. I'll have a link to it in the description box along with a discount code down below. I am going to seal my glitter layer with clear sealer. I'm using matte, which will turn back to glossy under epoxy because I ran out of my gloss sealer. So I'm just using what I have. I then sealed my glitter layer with 2 coats of epoxy so my tumbler is nice and smooth. I have cut out some stencil vinyl hearts that I got from Cricut Access. I have been an Access member for years and I never used it. I have no idea why. I also went out of frame when I applied my stencil hearts, but I just wrapped the hearts around the tumbler. Sorry about that, fam. Once I applied them, I spray painted my tumbler with the same pink paint, but instead of going light to dark, going from top to bottom, I sprayed dark to light. I'm now going to use the Tack It method to apply my next coat of glitter, but instead of Tack It glue, I'm using Southern Belle Glitter's foil glue because Tack It does not like me. I've tried, it doesn't like me, but feel free to use whatever tacky glue that you like. When you're done, peel up your stencils, then we'll be ready to seal with a coat of epoxy. I am going to be adding some extra sparkle into this epoxy layer because of course I am, and you are too, so just go ahead and do it do it. After I apply a coat of epoxy, I'm going to be taking that leftover epoxy and adding a white mix that I have, but feel free to use whatever colors you like. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our decal. Now fam, you can be done at this point. Absolutely done. This cup is fabulous. Add your amazing, super cute, whimsical golden handle and you can be done. But I wanted to bring some of the details of the label onto the tumbler to really bring out the whimsical feel of the decal. So I grabbed my black Posca paint pen and drew some hearts, dots, lines, whatever I wanted all over the tumbler. You can totally skip this step though and leave it as is, but I was feeling adventurous. When I was all done adding my hearts, lines, whatever, I was ready to add my heart handle from Dimensional Drinks. It comes white, so I spray painted it gold, but feel free to spray paint it whatever color you want. Y'all don't have to stick with gold. Do what you want. Do what you want. To attach it to my tumbler, I'm going to be using UV resin. some texture to the handle. It's looking a little plain. It needs some help. I'm going to be applying some gold foil fragments from PDB Creative Studio. Seal until smooth, then we'll be ready to decorate the bottom. For the bottom, I decided to keep it simple, but I wanted to bring in more of that black that's in the label onto the bottom because why not? So I'm going to be using Love Letter Vinyl from Glamour Tribe Vinyl. I'll also be adding my signature and of course some more sparkle. Ooh, and don't throw away that piece of the bottom that we just popped off. We're going to be using to help us cut out the vinyl. She's all done, and I absolutely love the whimsical feel of this tumbler. The bottom, the hearts, the lines we added, the handle, it all turned out so stinking cute. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support means the world, the universe, the galaxy, all the galaxies. Have fun making your Valentine's Day tumblers, and I will see you again next time.